Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10, F11. If you need to remove or replace license plate, light, tag light guys, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's an LED light, most of the times they do not go out, but on older vehicles sometimes they will burn, you will need to replace them. And we'll explain how to do that without damaging your trunk lid, without damaging the light, without guys causing damages. Make sure to send you in. It's a little bit tricky. We'll explain why. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, practically any model, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We are constantly adding new cars, so we are constantly working on problems that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix that now. Specifically, we have a 2013 BMW 520i that we'll be demonstrating on, but it will work on many BMW 5 Series, practically that generation, on all of them. When you open the trunk, check this thing out. This is the lights we're talking about. They're LED light bulbs, especially here for the US specifications, but they still go out sometimes. We had a person that asked us how to replace them, so we decided to make the video. Let's explain how to do that now. We're going to place the camera like that, and we're going to get a screwdriver that's a flat screwdriver guys. You can see pretty big size. You're going to go in that canal right here. Let me see if we can get good light right here. And when you do that guys, you're going to grab that screwdriver, hold the screwdriver, do not pry left or right, grab the whole screwdriver and just pull to the right. Okay, check this thing out. To compress the light, watch how the light moves. Do you see? To the right, the whole screwdriver, and then pull a little bit on the screwdriver at the same time, and that end will come out. It's a little bit tricky, but let me explain now what we have here specifically. Check this thing out. This is okay, let's focus. Okay, stop now the trunk. Perfect. When you move it to the right, that spring right here is the one that compresses, and this is the clip that comes out. So when we push it with the screwdriver, we compress the spring, and then when we pull, that clip is already loose and it will come out. The only thing that we need to remove now here, okay, will be the wire, and that wire, we'll just pull it out. Careful not to damage the wires, because you can break them. That's how you guys remove the tag light, also known as license plate light, on BMW 5 Series. Not very complicated for any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you guys want to see anything else specifically, let us know. We're constantly making videos. We're here to save you money guys, so just drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. That way we can help other people and we can build a community where we save each other money. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.